Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create ghost effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application. And first of all, I'm going to reduce the brightness of this video to create dark 5 for this video. I'm going to go to the adjust option and then I'm going to go to the brightness and I'm going to reduce it. Okay, it's enough. And I'm going to create ghost effect by video effect and body effect. So we need to go to the effect menu and you have to go to the video effect and go to the glitch effect. Okay, and you have to apply this effect chromatic. Apply the effect to your video. Click on the check mark and make it the effect align with your video like this. And the second one, I'm going to apply body effect. We can go to the body effect and go to the superpowers. And the superpowers, you can choose light trails. Okay, and I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to increase the speed. Okay, then click on the check mark and make the effect align with your video. Okay, and now it's done guys, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create ghost effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.